guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video we're actually going to do a system walk test on the texecom Premier Elite 24. So this was installed by me, a security, so yeah, let's do a system test then. So what you want to do is, you want to, let's point it here, you want to pop the code in, which I'll blur out. It'll say welcome back. And do you want time system, you just click reset, and then you want to put your engineer code in, which in my case is, and then what you want to do is say unable to access, need to user code, so you put the user code back in and click yes, enable engineer. Right, so after you put the user code in and click to enable, you want to put the engineer code in again. This will bring up two menus, so you want to go into engineer utilities for the texecom alarms, click here, and then what you want to do is do a walk test, click yes, and walk test area A and B, click yes. Right, so what you want to do now is to go around the building and just walk in front of sensors. So every time the sensor is broken, it'll come on. One, and as you can see on the panel on the keypad it says zone 1 door, and then what you want to do is just walk around the house basically. Trick this PIR, yep, that's done it. And you want to she's in here. And as you can see, like if you open the door again, it won't actually go off again because you've already done that zone. So as you can see, all the zones are lighting up. So that's pretty good. So what you want to do now is click reset, I believe, menu, and you can do like bell test if you want, but we're not going to do that. So that's basically how to do a walk test. So yeah, click menu again, exit and log off, click yes, click reset, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video guys, and I'll see you in the next video.